product on the table. All right, we're gonna get to a crowd. The Asian carp, the invasive fish that are taking over the waterways in Louisiana and nationwide.
Yeah.
And we know in Louisiana for one thing, it's food, right?
That's right.
So guys, what I want you to do is to try this. It just came out of the barbecue pit, and you see how beautiful the piece of meat are there. So we remove the big bones out there, and we can give you guys some. All right. And then watch out, there's going to be some bones, but you see how big those bones are?
Yeah.
They're easy to remove, so you remove it yourself, okay?
That's the ribs.
All right, come on. You're going to see how good it is. I'm going to give you some more here. No, you can go, and guys, just look at the camera and look. You want a little lemon on it?
Sure.
There you go. You want a little lemon on it? Y'all get some lemon on it. All right.
Here's to the invasive species.
There you go, and then. So look at the camera and then speak with your heart.
It's delicious.
We don't want no lies.
No, dude, I'm not
It's a
lying.
very
It's
good
so
fish.
good.
It's not.
Look at this. Hey, look at that big chunk. Look at this. All right, guys. So you see how beautiful the white meat is? You want some more? A little bit. I want to give you some. That's going to be my dinner here. Come on, guys. Let's try the invasive. Come on, guys. We're gonna try the invasive. Look. You got that?
Yeah.
You see that?
That's really good.
Look at this. Huh? That can feed quite a few people. So this is a really easy way. If you see those fish jumping, you know, and they come in your boat, don't throw them back. You know, this is what you can do. A meal for many. So
It doesn't taste very fishy.
no. Oh, let's try it. Get your plate, guys. Get your plate. There you go. And hold on a minute. What did you just say?
I said that's amazing.
Yeah, come over next to the chef. Thank you. All right, over here. You're gonna make me look good. Now, say that again.
I said it's absolutely amazing.
How you like that, huh? Huh? There you go. So, let me ask you this, guys. What about this as a solution to resolve this problem that we're facing? Come on, take a little plate. We call that eat the problem. Now earlier, when we clean up that fish, it was probably 1 million eggs into that female fish. So what you did today is you took out of the water 1 million baby Asian carp, literally.
Right. It is delicious.
Get a preemptive.
Watch out the bone, they're easy to remove. Okay?
A preemptive strike.
Okay? So look at that. You see how much?
On the outside.
You see how beautiful that is?
It's really
So
good.
what
It
about
doesn't
eat the
taste
problem?
fishy.
It doesn't.
Everybody's with me on that one? So what about if we say eat the problem one time together?
Yeah.
Eat
Right?
the problem.
There you go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Thank you. This is what's left, okay, out of this fish. The proof is in the pudding, how good this fish is. Eat the problem.